Hi guys, today we're gonna install a new cabin filter. The part number is 79831-S2A-013. Hopefully your wire strip is in better shape than mine. So we're gonna use a 5mm socket to pop out the 2 to 3 tabs out from the underneath the wire strip. This will remove it, so just push it right in, it'll come up straight out. And the other one obviously was ripped off, so in my case it just came out super easy. Now we are able to access the cabin air filter. It's just right underneath the dash there, so we go stick our hand in there. There's a little white you could see here, and the first thing I'm checking what kind of debris I got. This car is full, so we're going to clean it up in a second as well, after removing the cabin air filter. So let's take a look at that. Oh my god, I can't believe how much stuff there was in this car. Look at that. Look at that. It hasn't been cleaned in a couple of years underneath there, so definitely a good collection of debris. Now we're going to remove the air cabin filter. We're going to put our hand, grab it right there. You can see the white box. It's going to pop out slowly out. And now we can see the years of debris in it. So let's first, we're going to clean it up inside the car. So we're going to vacuum up. Next, once we're done vacuuming, we're going to go and clean it with a rag just to get all that, as much debris out of there as possible without taking the whole system apart. So we're just going to clean it up gently now. Now we could remove. This does have 4 tabs on the back that we're going to need to take out. We're just going to take a look. So you see all 4. There's 4 tabs at the top and the side. We pop that out. We gonna take it, and now we can see the full dirtiness of the filter. Next, we're gonna clean the area. Just wipe off all the excess dirt. I'm just using standard, just a little bit degreaser, solvent, and I think that's Windex there. Just clean it up nicely. Once we are done cleaning, we can proceed to put back the new air filter inside. So let's take a look. There's the part number again, and we're just gonna open it. Now let's take it out. It does go one way, so it's pretty straightforward. The phony tabs need to be upside down, so you can see there. We're just easy clip in. Just clip it back in, and we'll be ready to reinsert back into the vehicle now. It's that easy. You notice the tab right there. You will, when we put it back in the car, it's gonna go on an angle, and we're gonna need to reinsert it. So let's do that now. Okay, we got the new filter now, all ready. We're gonna lift it back up, and we're gonna kind of do like a scoop. As you see, there's a little clip here. And another clip here. This kind of could go back. Oh, well, I lost the clip. And now it's sealed, except we lost a clip. Great, more clips loose. I think it's just the head. Well, we know what's next on our list, and then once we're done, put back your clips. I lost this one again. And we're done. Unfortunately, my weather stripping is gone, so I'll have to replace that as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments for any new DIYs you like to see.